We have given it the name situationship, that you are seeing each other, you like each other, you are sleeping with each other, but y'all are not dating. Oh no, he's just my
We
friend,
don't
she's
want
just my.
labels.
Arey, what is this?
I don't
At
understand
the
this
end of the day, if
concept.
you're getting married, you will be called a husband and wife. Similarly, if you're dating, if you're sleeping around, that's what you call a boyfriend and a girlfriend. That's not labeling, that's just common sense, darling. Especially in makeup industry, nowadays people, every second person you meet is a makeup artist. There was this one casting director, he told me, you don't look that gay. I'm like,
I'm sorry.
define. I asked
Please
him.
define what
Yes, I
gay
asked him,
look is.
that gay, how gay do you want me to be? First of all, I don't do things for attention. Attention comes to me
Comes to me.
naturally.
यही कि I
No,
attract attention, baby.
yes.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of The Zuili Show. I'm very, very excited to introduce our next guest. Please welcome Urzan. Hi, Urzan.
Hi, what's up?
Oh, you're so cute. First of all, lovely to have you here. But most importantly, how glamorous do you look? You
Thank you.
look
Thank you so much.
fabulous. Like, I took a pause because I was like, I have to make it impactful. Like, you look amazing. You look beautiful, gorgeous, fabulous, glamorous. And I don't think I've ever given all these compliments to anyone else outside of me. Now everyone's gonna say I'm a narcissist.
Okay, no. Love yourself. I always say you should love yourself first. That's when you'll be able to love others.
Absolutely. It's like, it's the same place of like, was the same way of saying, na, they say ki help yourself first before you help others.
Yeah.
What is that? वो देते हैं ना flight वाला example हमेशा.
Oxygen, when the
हाँ,
oxygen.
हाँ, कि पहले खुद को तो ये ना, ये प्यार के मामले में क्यों नहीं लोग ये करते हैं ना कि पहले खुद को प्यार करो फिर
Yeah.
किसी और को
But
दे सकते हो.
It's that. It's just self-love is not simple, I'll say.
It's very complex.
It's very complex.
And I'll tell you, it has so many layers to it
Yeah.
and phases.
See, according to me, love itself has a lot of layers. Be it self-love, be it love giving to your parents, to your siblings, to your friends, to your partner. Love is complex. But at the end of the day, when you actually love someone, that unconditional love that, your parents give you,
Yeah.
despite of you being, a pain in their bum.
Pain in the
So-
bum. Bum is cute. It's like not horror, like the crass one. Like, you just made it sound cute for some reason.
I mean,
But true.
So that's what, even
That
after
unconditional.
seeing your bad side,
Yeah.
they will support you, they will love you.
Like, accept you, support you, encourage you for you.
Exactly.
In its complete self. Because tell me one person, तुम्हें कोई पता है कि जो पूरा ही अच्छा है या पूरा ही बुरा है? सब में होता है ना. Like, I think जैसे I can be a very nice person because I can be a complete bitch as well.
Exactly.
But it calls for it when you want to,
see,
have to.
according to me, when, like, abhi, if we are talking about love right now.
Yeah.
And this is not just about, a guy, a girl, or a girl guy. It's love in general. When you are giving yourself and when you are putting efforts, when you are making time for that person, it's basic human tendency to expect the same in return.
Exactly. This is base level, and it's not just about, people often then confuse it with like love and partnership and relationships.
Yeah.
But it's just basic human level पे तो ये तुम किसी के लिए भी करोगे, right?
Exactly. Like I'm seeing a guy, and after 1 or 2 months down the line, I will definitely develop a little bit of, what you call likeliness, or that feelings that, ki I like him or
Emotions.
not.
Yeah.
Besides that, I will expect something. People
Base
say,
level.
oh, don't expect anything out of me. I'm like, why? Are you a robot? Am I a robot?
That
Am I
is so
function
weird.
that way कि rule book के हिसाब से चलना है?
हाँ.
That's not how love works.
Yeah, and I think it just becomes so confusing and complicated. I think we only complicate it. It's very simple. You don't have
Exactly.
to like really define this and like be कि ऐसा होना चाहिए and don't have expectations. I don't understand that. तुमको अगर expectations दूसरे लोगों से नहीं होते तो you can't be a human being to begin with. ये पूरी
Exactly.
दुनिया ही expectation से
That's
ही
what-
चल रही है
that's
ना.
exactly what I
तुम्हारे
keep telling
ऑफिस में
people.
भी expectation होती है. तुम्हारे काम में professionalism is an क्या
Expectation.
एक्सपेक्टेशन, मतलब एक्सेप्शन नहीं बोलना है मुझे.
That would be complicated.
Yeah, let's not. We're trying to simplify here today. अभी वो बोलेंगे दो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लोग बैठ गए सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए.
Wow, isn't that a scandal?
I know. Well, I don't mind being scandalous.
Oh yeah, I have been.
Bring it on, baby. So see, this is what I'm saying कि expectation हर जगह है life में. Your
Exactly.
family expects something off of you. You
Right.
expect something off of them. तो
Right.
ये partnership में हम कैसे per convenience expectation उड़ जाता है कि नहीं, don't expect anything. That's how situationships have come around, guys.
Yeah, I swear. And these are the new terms. Okay,
ये
अभी
तो
now
ये
me
तो exist पहले से ही होते हैं.
है, but we have given it the name situationship, that you are seeing each other, you like each other, you are sleeping with each other, but y'all are not dating. Oh no, he's just my friend.
We don't
she's
want
just my-
labels.
Arey, what is this?
I don't
At
understand
the
this
end of the day, if
concept.
you're getting married, you will be called a husband and wife. Similarly, if you're dating, if you're sleeping around, that's what you call a boyfriend and a girlfriend. That's not labeling, that's just common sense, darling.
It's your relationship. Listen, if you're having sex with a person, it is a girlfriend boyfriend thing. If you're not, again, what else? Otherwise, are you friends? And then there's all friends with benefits also. I mean, there's just so much complication in this. Now, for me, it's bhai, like it's as simple as that. तुमको ये है या वो है. There's no black and white ही है. Grey नहीं exist करता है इसमें.
Love is like वो ये जवानी है दीवानी वाला, वो जो दाल चावल बोलते हैं ना, for the rest.
Exactly.
So हम लोग ने दाल चावल में ना हींग का तड़का सब तड़का लगा के ना ये किया है, that situationship, fuck
this,
buddies, that.
that.
अरे भाई साहब, it's blood, it's a plain nice दाल चावल. Why you want to complicate it by
Complicated.
putting तड़का in it, that too unnecessary
हाँ,
तड़का.
और एक बात बोलूंगी, दाल चावल तुम रोज खा सकते हो, तड़का नहीं खा सकते हो.
Exactly,
You know?
पेट खराब होता
हाँ,
है.
एट द एंड ऑफ द डे तुम सबको टाइम पास करके स्लीप अराउंड करके तुमको भी चाहिए रिलेशनशिप, पार्टनरशिप, कमिटमेंट.
Exactly.
चाहिए तो है ही है
You
ना,
need
बाद में
that-
कभी ना कभी तो
You need
चाहिए.
that one person that at the end of the day, जब तुम काम से घर जाते हो या फिर कुछ भी करके तुम घर जाते हो, you need that peace of mind.
What else you need? And वो कहाँ से ऐसे सिचुएशनशिप में तुमको क्यों लगता है इतना इजी हो जाता है कि क्या पर कन्वीनियंस कि जिस दिन तुमको चाहिए तब कोई अवेलेबल होगा.
Exactly. I mean, nowadays people are also, getting their this is very common in the gay community. Okay, I'll be very honest with you. So, past traumas होते हैं, past, everyone has bad experiences and everyone has had a trauma or, past that they are not really happy or proud about.
Correct.
You don't get that when you're actually looking or seeing someone. You use, I mean, I will simply say, I recently came out of that.
Thank you for
And
saying this.
That man was like, oh, I'm sorry, but I have a past trauma, so I just want to be friends with you. I'm like, okay, let's be friends.
You know what my response to this is? Because this you see it a lot more than you unfortunately you should be
Exactly.
seeing. And अभी इस जनरेशन में तो सबके पास ट्रॉमा भर भर के पड़े ही है. True, including us ना, हम थोड़ी ना बचे हुए हैं.
Exactly.
But I literally have one statement.
Hmm.
Your past traumas don't give you an excuse to be an asshole.
Exactly.
Like, don't
Yes.
use this and then become a victim and then be an ass and then expect me to understand that, oh, it's okay.
It's not okay. I mean, you have been through trauma. That does not give you the right to put that other person in that trauma.
Correct. And then expect them and put that pressure on them कि तुम समझो ना मेरे साथ ये हुआ है.
हाँ.
अभी तुम्हारे साथ भी कुछ हुआ है, मेरे साथ भी कुछ हुआ है. तो हम ये जाके थोड़ी उस पे बोल रहे हैं ना.
Exactly. And when you're saying you want to be friends, you be friend. You act like a friend. You give me signs that are way more than friendship. You keep sending me some videos.
तो are
and
you
it's
telling
not
me
good.
कि ये हो रहा है कि मतलब ये हुकअप करके फिर बोल रहा है कि मुझे फ्रेंड्स बनना है या पहले ही बोल रहा है?
So okay, fortunately we didn't recently I got out of this. It was like a one-sided thing. I had feelings for him, very strong feelings, and we did not get physical. It was mutually, like we were good friends and I really respected him. I respect his work and really I had immense amount of respect.
Respect, yeah.
And then this happened, and I told him, okay, I'm okay being friends. But then at the end of the day, his actions were completely different from what his words were.
So leading on
He
also,
was kind of leading me on.
see,
And
that
that was
becomes so
very bad.
toxic.
That was very bad. I
Because to
told
be in
him,
that place, especially when you are very clear about your intentions, कि तुम्हें
Yes.
feelings है, but you're still being accommodating and understanding because of the respect for so and so
Exactly.
person कि
That's what.
okay friends रहते हैं, but then तुम्हें फिर friends की boundaries भी तो फिर रखनी
Exactly,
पड़ेगी.
वो वही तो that's where he was very confused. मैंने उस दिन उसको कार में भी वही बोला था that I have feelings for you. I'm very clear in my mind what I want. It's up to you now. And after that also he kept leading. And then one fine day he's like, I romantically don't like you. Let's just be friends.
what took
I'm
you
like,
this long?
you're showing me a carrot. You're hanging that carrot. And then तुम
Dangling
ऐसे ऐसे
it.
ऐसे कर रहे हो. तुम literally
हाँ.
ऐसे ऐसे वो बोलते हो. I'm like, तुमने क्या
नहीं.
समझ के रखा है?
नहीं, this is so toxic.
And that's when
What
I
made
had a
you take
major
the-
breakdown. It was bad. It was really bad.
But I hope you
And
just got it out of your system, and then but did you did you just call it off completely, or
oh
you
yeah, I had to. And then when I when I started sharing this with 2-3 of our friends, he started saying, "You're bad mouthing me. You're spoiling my reputation." I'm like, "Darling, you called it on yourself."
also
You
मैं
spoiled
बात
your own
कर रहा हूँ ना, like again फिर ये अभी हाँ मतलब you are behaving a certain way,
He's
now
a
you're being called out.
narcissist. This
यही
is a
है
typical
narcissist.
narcissistic behavior that हम दोनों के बीच ये रहेगा तो
हाँ,
चलेगा. But when
हाँ.
I talk to someone else about this, you will be like, "You're spoiling my name."
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
like, hello?
Listen, I've been through that. I am happily single now since the last 3 years.
Yeah.
By choice.
That's good. Good. Really
And
good.
it also was because I got see, just to share with you also na, I was in a toxic relationship, same like narcissistic personality, and this was back in Canada, right? And it's so hard because it's like the manipulation, the gaslighting, and then if it's between that person and you, तब ठीक है कि आप अपने voice कर रहे हो, बोल रहे हो, वोकल हो रहे हो, बट अगर आप किसी और से शेयर करोगे तो आप ही बुरे इंसान हो कि आप एंड वैसे भी हम
Exactly.
आपके बारे में नहीं शेयर कर रहे, वी आर हर्ट, वी आर जस्ट शेयरिंग इट
Yes,
बिकॉज वी आर
yes,
हर्ट एंड
exactly. This is I'm talking about this thing, my issues because
हाँ.
you caused them.
So that like come on, हम दूसरों के बारे किसके we talk about everyone in general in life ना, don't we talk about our parents and friends and this and that, ये तो in general होता है, तो ये तो मतलब गलत है. I'm so glad, I'm so proud of you to get out of it, to be very honest, and I am just saying it. If I would not be in your shoes, or I wouldn't have some understanding, I wouldn't have said I'm proud of you or like really say that. But I think I know how much courage it takes.
Absolutely.
Especially when feelings are involved, because I'm a very sensitive person, तो मुझे पता है.
Same. I'm super sensitive.
And I love love.
Oh.
So I love love,
ये प्यार बड़ी प्यारी चीज
हाँ,
है.
exactly. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है और इतना मतलब इसमें इतना मार खाया भी होगा तो भी मुझे you never lose hope in love.
You need that warmth in your life. Be it from a friend, be it from anyone. You need someone. Human beings are social animals.
Yeah, like we work, emotions is more than anything.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Like if it's just sex, then it doesn't define us as humans.
See, sex is a part of life.
Yeah.
Unless and until you are making it your entire life. There are some people who do that, which is fine. It's their choice.
To each their own.
But sex is a part of life. You should enjoy life. Not
it's
just
also one part of your life. Life has so many dimensions. ना हम इतनी सारी चीजें करते हैं, तो that
that's
just
where
becomes
people
one
get
part.
confused. People are super confused nowadays because of all this tadka in the dal.
Now you say
situationship,
I'm
friends
happily
with
single
benefits.
because I was like कि मुझे वो तोड़ने के लिए भी कोई ऐसे simple आदमी नहीं है.
हाँ,
Is it like
अरे मैं
is
तो
it gay
बोलता
men
हूँ.
or is it all men?
No,
I feel like this
it's
is like
not
all
just
men
gays. I think it's
problem.
with all men. I'm telling you. See, I also have issues. I'm not saying मैं दूध का धुला
Correct.
हूँ.
हाँ, वो
I'm
तो-
also not perfect. Nobody is perfect.
Nobody is.
But it's up to you how you are taking it and how you are reacting to a situation. It's as simple as that.
Yeah. Absolutely. मतलब सिचुएशंस तो आएंगी, वो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं रहते, लेकिन आप उसको क्या कर रहे हो और कैसे कर रहे हो तो वो तो तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में, तो उतना तो अकाउंटेबिलिटी ले लिया करो, इज माय होल पॉइंट.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
ये तो ठीक है, सिचुएशन आ गई, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग विद
That's
इट इज
true.
बिच प्लीज. लाइक डोंट, लाइक आई एम स्मार्टर देन दैट ब्रो, लाइक दैट्स व्हाट इट बिकम्स लाइक. और फिर
I agree.
वो मिलने के लिए इट्स जस्ट लाइक again guys, I'm happily single. Okay, now we dived like literally straight into it, and I love it. But I want the viewers to know who Urzan is. You know, हमने intro ही नहीं किया
हाँ,
है ना?
actually, yeah, I know we skipped the
And
intro.
I love it though. I was like, this is exactly, we just got right into it. And this is how it should be, na? कि मतलब catch up हो रहा है, and I'm getting to know you, and I love
Yeah.
that. So I want everyone to know कि who Urzan is, and you know, essentially in your own words. मतलब, I know who you are. Of course, you're here, but I,
Yeah.
like for you to, like, you know, how do you see yourself? Like when someone asks you to talk about you, क्या बोलोगे?
Okay, so first of all, I started my career, as an HR. I was very confused back then कि मेरे को career wise करना क्या है. I started as an HR. It did not really go well. I switched from HR to um, makeup in 2018.
Very recent, yeah?
Yeah, and since 2018 till date, I have been a makeup artist. And because bachpan se I love doing makeup, I used to keep seeing my mom when she used to, sit and put compact and blush on. And I बस मेरे को देखना अच्छा लगता था and मेरे को करना भी. But unfortunately that time I couldn't. मैं अगर करता भी था ना तो मैं छुप छुप के करता था. Because that time it was not, the awareness was not there.
Not there. And this
And
is
I
like when
was
you were a
myself
kid.
not aware ki what is. So when people, there were kids in school and all, they used to say, "Gay hai kya gay?" hai?" मैं बोला, "What is gay?" I did not
Correct.
even know what
Terminology
gay
भी नहीं
meant.
पता है.
I was like, मेरे को gay गाली लगती थी तो मैं तो ना बोलता था because the way they used
It's
to
true
portray.
though. I mean, पहले जब इतना अवेयरनेस तो अभी आ रहा है, लेकिन तब के टाइम में, ग्रोइंग अप के टाइम में, तो when people are using terms like ए तू गे है क्या, ए तू क्या लड़की जैसे, it always was in a very
It
negative
was, there
गाली
were a
के
lot of, there were
context.
so many derogatory terms used. Chakka,
Yeah,
hijra,
yeah.
good, mittha, and still date people
You
are
know
still
what?
using
I
it.
will not lie. Till date, matlab, this has happened to me last week. I was sitting with a group of people, and it's a decent production house, and we were having a meeting, and like one of the editors comes by and like just says, "Oh, wo mitha hai," and they start laughing, and
Oh wow.
yeah.
Okay, this is still happening.
And this is still happening, and I just didn't know. So sometimes what happens is, it's also like the onus ki मैं क्या करती हूँ उसमें, तो you either like, एक तो तुम बोलो कि this is not right, or like don't use words, or at least the least you can do is like disassociate and don't be a part of this conversation anymore.
See, more than disassociating also, you should अंदर से वो आना चाहिए कि ये गलत है.
कैसे नहीं आता है लोगों को
मीठा,
अभी भी?
हम लोग स्ट्रेट लोगों को क्यों ऐसे नाम नहीं बोलते?
मुझे वही नहीं
I
समझता
mean,
है.
तुम स्ट्रेट हो, तुम बचपन से तुम्हें लड़कियां पसंद है और तुम्हें लड़के पसंद है, what if it's a girl,
Yeah,
and that's called normal. Okay, बचपन से मुझे लड़के पसंद है,
but that is also normal.
that is
is
normal.
to
So
you.
you can't call someone who likes the same gender by such derogatory names. It's as simple as
And
that.
then also to promote it. See, I see कि because क्या होता है ना, it also, the onus lies on the people who are creating also, like as creators, as producers, and we are in the industry, right? Like now,
Exactly.
we are sitting in a photo studio today, you are in the industry as a makeup artist, and ये तो हम आपस में on a small basis तो हम करते ही है कि we, stand with each other, we correct people,
Yes,
make them more
yes.
aware, ये हम करते हैं. But on a bigger level also, when you will see, there's lot of changes coming in the industry also in terms of screening now, but
There
you'll
are.
still see कि पहले तो वो भी नहीं था ना. पहले तो मतलब characters were also in a very derogatory way
या तुम
portrayed.
वो कौन सा मूवी था, काजोल एंड सलमान खान का कौन सा मूवी था वो,
हम नहीं कौन सा,
प्यार किया तो डरना
क्या.
उसमें वो था ना, टिडिंग टिडिंग यहाँ people
हाँ.
used to tease me with, I didn't even know what that meant unless until I saw that
Oh
movie.
my God,
I
I
mean,
am just remembering
boss.
that. That is so not cool.
So that's how gay people were portrayed
Yeah.
in Bollywood. But now,
Correct.
of course, Bollywood has come out really well. People are like, inclusivity हो रही है.
बहुत, I'm
And
seeing so
it's
much of a
good. It's
difference.
good. I'm really happy that
Right?
Bollywood has taken that step.
The track, it's finally
Yes.
on track, because I feel
Exactly.
इतने टाइम से ना, and मैं 10 साल तो बाहर थी, लेकिन मैं आई हूँ, तो that's something I really appreciate. But
Yes,
again, that's
yes.
on screen, and obviously off screen, so we have a long way to go still, but at least it becomes a medium to,
Yeah.
bring in the
See,
change.
even on screen nowadays, like people are casting for, TV commercials and all. So I also give, like me being into modeling also now, I have started giving auditions for like, any kind of gay role. So now, there was this one casting director, he told me, you don't look that gay.
I'm sorry.
I'm like, define. I asked him.
Please define what
Yes, I
gay
asked him,
look is.
that gay, how gay do you want me to be? He's like, we want you to, maybe just wear a blouse, wear a this thing. So I asked, okay, so you want me to cross dress?
I was just going to say, like,
Yeah.
that's not being gay, firstly.
Yeah, gay, I mean, gay means you are a guy, you like a guy.
Yeah, like, it's nothing to do with your appearance, what you're
Exactly.
wearing, what.
Exactly. This is supposed to be my choice. What so right now also I'm wearing these jewelry. I'm literally having my nails done.
I was like, can
I'm
I see them? They're beautiful. I want this. I want to do this.
I love these French
Where have you
tips.
gotten? They're so good.
There's a Top Coat Nail Salon in
Ooh.
Sakinaka. It's amazing.
Shout out to Topcoat Nail Salons. We are always supporting small businesses, independent businesses.
Yeah.
I have mine, so I understand the
No.
pain. So
they are
Topcoat
really
in
inclusive.
Sakinaka, Topcoat
Yeah.
Sakinaka. Great.
So whenever I go there, they know that I love French tips.
I love
But
it.
this time, like I usually go for the classic French. This time I did not go for the classic French. I went for a glitter.
Good choice. Abhi, it's going to make me look. I told you, na, I literally, guys, I had to change my outfit after I saw him. And I was like, I need to look better.
Oh, come
But
on,
no,
you look
coming.
gorgeous.
Aw, it coming from you means the most. I was like,
No,
कोई
of
और लड़का आएगा. I was
course.
like,
You
yeah,
definitely,
no.
you.
Ah.
I always say, तुम जो भी पहनो, you need to carry it well.
Own it.
You need to own it.
Yes.
And you are
You
owning
own it. I know this outfit makes me look confident. I was like, yeah, I'm going to wear this. Thank you for acknowledging it. I was like, इतनी तारीफ कर दी, अभी कुछ तो return में कर दे. Oh. Okay, so going back to Chalo, childhood was obviously rough
Yes.
in the sense ki teasing, this, that, because obviously the society in a way was also as such growing up. तब
Exactly.
digital media इतना भी था भी नहीं, तो
No,
awareness तो
there
बहुत ही
was
कम
no
था.
awareness. I mean, थोड़ा बहुत था, but social media and all इतना नहीं हो रहा था.
Childhood, where was childhood essentially?
Born and raised in Bombay, and my schooling, college, everything was in Mumbai itself. I've not explored, I've not gone out of the city to, do my graduation or post graduation. Nothing. Everything was in Bombay.
Listen, when you're in Bombay, the whole
And-
world is coming to Bombay.
Yeah, actually, that's the reason it's called a dream city.
Yeah, I mean, Bombay is Bombay, and when you have had the opportunity to be here and like be from here, I don't think if I was in your place, I would ever leave and like want to explore, because you know what? Everything that is explorable is coming to you here.
Yeah, and I mean, see, people from Bombay, they are going out, like they're going abroad to study and to do.
Correct,
I'm
correct.
like, मेरे को बॉम्बे में ही रहना है
और
मेरे को जो
वैसे भी
करना है
तुम्हारे को
बॉम्बे
जो
में करना है
करना है तुम्हारा इधर ही है सारा, योर पैशन
Exactly.
ले हियर, सो देयर वाज एब्सोल्युटली नो नीड ना, बिकॉज अदर पीपल हैव अदर थिंग्स कि ये पढ़ाई करनी है, वो पढ़ाई करनी है, मेरे घर भी मैं गई हूँ. दिस इज सो फैबुलस. सो आई थिंक दिस इज अमेजिंग वेयर you've had your hub here
Yes.
and in and out, you've been raised here, so it's also nice to talk about how Bombay was then and how Bombay has evolved, and and what's
too
going
much, too
on.
much, yeah.
Very interesting.
I mean, they're like, in terms of traffic, yes, it has evolved. It has evolved.
I don't think evolved is the right word, or I don't know if it's the word I can say.
That's why I'm saying now it has evolved.
Yeah, अच्छा, you did this. I closed my eyes as soon as you said evolved. I'm like, मुझे पता ही नहीं मैं क्या
बाबा.
बोलूं. मुझे इधर
Traffic
के
is
इधर
too much.
क्या है ये?
आपको यहाँ से if like from Andheri you want to travel to Ville Parle, first where it used to take you like 10-15 minutes, now it takes you 20-30 minutes, because it's all because so, and it's not just peak hours mein ye wo, but in general the
Yeah,
population has also increased, and people are migrating.
Infra is
so
not
much.
enough as usual.
It's not. It's definitely not.
Never
That's the
is.
reason prices are still soaring up.
Like but my whole thing is prices are soaring, inflation है, सब है, but salary and ये तो नहीं बढ़ रहा है ना.
That's where people need that, awareness कि तुम अगर rent बढ़ा रहे हो, okay, तुम्हारा salary supposing से 20,000 है, तुम रेंट का ही तुम अगर 10-12
दे रहे हो,
तुम 8,000 में क्या अपना लाइफ
क्या चलाओगे? और बॉम्बे में
एग्जैक्टली
इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. तुम्हारा एक रिक्शा राइड इधर से उधर जाने का भी इज लाइक योर महीने का कन्वेंस विल बी 10,000 इफ यू लाइक ट्रैवलिंग, इवन बाय ऑटो, नॉट इवन लाइक
First where we used to pay 21-23 rupees, now the auto price is
26. इट्स इन एंड ट्रैफिक में मीटर से तो मुझे एंजाइटी होती है ना कभी कभी, बिकॉज इन
Yeah.
ट्रैफिक यू डोंट नो ओनली
एंड
हाउ
देन दीज ऑटो वालास वो लोग यूनियन निकाल के बोलते हैं कि रैपिडो, उबर, ओला ये सब बंद करो.
बंद
क्यों
करो,
बंद
क्यों
करो
बंद
भाई,
करे,
हमारे लिए अच्छा है.
क्यों नहीं बंद करे. आई एम सीइंग ना, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली देयर इज अ रीजन कि दे आर नॉट काउंटिंग द ट्रैफिक एंड इट इज
Exactly.
अगेन इट इज इक्विटेबल, बिकॉज अदरवाइज दिस तो हु इज गोइंग टू सर्वाइव हियर.
No, no, it's
बट आई विल
difficult.
टेल यू द ओनस ऑल्सो लाइज ऑन अस. मतलब ऐसे मैं जो देखती हूँ ना कि आई थिंक अभी इतना कंपटीशन भी हो गया. एंड टेल मी इफ यू हैव नोटिस्ड इट, बिकॉज आई हैव एक्सपीरियंसेस जस्ट इन द स्टूडियो माहौल एंड यू नो द पीपल आर मीटिंग क्लाइंट्स, the kind of clients that come also and things like that, right? So you meet all sorts of people in a business, same as you're in the industry. तुम्हें हर कितने टाइप के लोग मिलते हैं, लाइक कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, अच्छे
बहुत
होते हैं, बुरे होते हैं, बहुत ही मतलब you
There
know.
are just certain people that you would like to avoid.
Please, like, or I would have wished that I wish I'd never met you. You know, like, yeah, karma. I don't know.
Yeah.
We had to cross paths
I
apparently.
mean, yeah,
है
you,
ना?
this is my, you know, this is my attire and this is my aura, and it's too expensive for
For
you, darling.
you, yeah.
It's too expensive for you to even look at. So please, don't turn your ugly face here. Please, chalte bano.
100%, right? तो ये exactly mirroring what I want to say. Like, this is how I felt, you know, and more often to be than not at times,
Exactly.
unfortunately.
I agree with you.
You
I
know?
mean, sometimes what happens is there are people that you really like, you gel up well, you become friends, and it goes a good long way. There are certain people that you don't really gel up well with because of certain connections that you can't make.
Energies, जो भी
Yeah,
है.
and a lot of times people are like, there are so many people who have been bad mouthing. I'm like, okay, see,
But
I
it's
don't
so
react to that.
fake in front of you.
हाँ,
But it's
because
so
I don't react
nice.
to that because I know तुमको जो बोलना है तुम
तो
बोलोगे
वैसे भी
ही.
बोलोगे.
मैं अग्रेशन दिखाओ उससे अच्छा मैं मेरा पीस ऑफ माइंड रखूँ
Right,
ना.
exactly.
I
खुद
won't
के
react only
emotions,
to
हाँ.
it.
Because you know
Simple.
sometimes people just get kicks out of okay you and like getting a reaction
They get
also.
a lot,
मुझे ऐसा
I
लगता है
see.
कि बहुत लोग ना they just are doing it तुम्हारे reaction because they get a kick out of your reaction. It's like somehow orgasmic.
Yes,
कि
yes.
मतलब ना मैं इसको ऐसा करके फिर ये हर्ट होगा या इसको नीचे गिरा के फिर मैं then मैं हीरो बन
Yeah,
जाऊंगा.
there's a word for that.
I know, I was like trying to find कि क्या है बोलो.
There's a word for that. It's called you want you because that person is a dominant personality and उसके हिसाब से वो जो करेगा वो सही है. So it's like either my way or highway.
हाँ, my way
Darling,
highway.
there is something called as a dominatrix. And वो ना बिस्तर में अच्छा लगता है, लाइफ में नहीं.
I think you've said it the best.
Yeah.
उधर ही that
उधर
too.
ही अच्छा लगता
उधर ही.
Yeah.
और
तुम हर
उधर
जगह
भी
ये दिखाओगे तो
उधर भी हर बार नहीं.
Control, you need
उधर भी तो
control.
ब्रेक चाहिए ना. उधर भी तो हर बार नहीं कर सकते हो तो तुम लाइफ में तो छोड़ ही दो. You're so
Oh my
right.
God.
I have gone into another headspace now. Thanks for that. I have a very clear visual also. Also, I feel like I'm dressed in a way today, na? Do you like like the next thing you can see
Yes.
is कि मैं whip पकड़ रही हूँ अपने हाथ में. This is my Halloween look.
Dominatrix.
We do like a thumbnail of me with a whip.
Oh my God.
This episode people will be like ये क्या बात करने आए थे, ये क्या बात करने लग गए. I know. मैं तुम्हें ये पूछ रही थी कि ओनर्स मैं जब ये हर टाइप के क्लाइंट्स में जब बोल रही थी कि I think because there's so much competition also ना, I think people also are forgetting their worth in terms of कि
Yes.
तुमने भी कितना charge करना. See, every time it's demand supply, right? I've studied economics तो मुझे it's
Absolutely.
also basics, right? तो
Yeah,
demand
yeah.
supply है, right? अगर तुम्हारा supply डिमांड इस चीज का है और अगर तुम्हारा बहुत सारा सप्लाई है तुम अगर मतलब अगर कुछ चीज तुम्हें पता है कि यू आर वर्थ से 50,000 फॉर अ जॉब है ना बट देन यू आर जस्ट फॉलोइंग बिकॉज द सेलर इज कमिंग एंड टेलिंग यू कि यार ये काम तो मुझे कोई 10,000 में करके दे रहा है तुम और फिर तुम बोलोगे अच्छा ठीक है मैं 8,000 में कर दूंगा तो
Yeah, so about this makeup industry, especially in makeup industry, nowadays people, every second person you meet is a makeup artist. Number two, there are people who have become makeup artists out of just boredom. I'll be very
Is it
honest
a
with
lot
that.
during lockdown?
नॉट जस्ट लॉकडाउन,
हमेशा
पहले
से?
से ये होता है दैट कुछ करने को नहीं है तो चलो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बन जाते हैं, पैसा कमा लेंगे, पॉकेट मनी हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ दिस इज अ रीजन प्रोफेशनल्स लाइक I don't want to name them, but professionals like me, I'm also a professional makeup
Correct.
artist.
Right.
Our job and our clientele, that is getting hampered. Because where I charge, say, supposing I am charging 35-40 grand for a bridal makeup,
Sure.
there's a new makeup artist, because उसने बहुत अच्छे अकेडमी से किया है, because उसका बहुत recommendation अच्छा आया है, she will charge 10-15,000 for bridal makeup and hair. And that's where people will go कि okay, इसका काम अच्छा है. Ultimately तुम काम देख के नहीं because a lot of people, वो लोग काम देख के नहीं जाते, वो लोग ये देख के जाते हैं कि ये कितना चार्ज करेगी.
Thank you for saying that. ये I am also struggling, and जब मेरे साथ भी, because मेरा फोटो स्टूडियो right, तो I am also working with photographers, makeup artists, hairstylists to do so many things, and this is my biggest struggle. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, क्योंकि when a client also comes to me कि मुझे brand shoot करना है, मुझे end to end सब चाहिए, right? So then I'm sourcing my makeup artist clients for that particular project who I think would fit.
Right.
Now here what I'm seeing is I'm seeing the talent, I'm seeing the work, because
Yes.
I'm seeing it ki when I give it to the client, and I am also asking each person ki tumko kitna, like how this is the work, what is a fair amount that you need, because I'm already convinced ki like I've seen your work, इसलिए तो I've approached you, right? तो मुझे काम को तो पता है.
Exactly.
अब मुझे चाहिए कि तुम इसको 100% दो और हम अच्छे से क्लाइंट को डिलीवरी दे. तो अब मैं तुम्हें पूछूंगी give me a fair share, right?
Right.
So this is what happens in my thing also, कि मैं डिस्कस करके फिर मैं क्लाइंट के पास ये कोड दे रही हूँ, inclusive of everyone's wants and asks.
Correct.
And da. Now this comes back from the client side of things ki this is too high, but also lekin you are not seeing anything that's going in this na, but ki who is the makeup artist, who is the photographer,
Exactly.
who is the hairstylist, and I have lost people, I'll tell you, because I will not go back to my team and be like itne mein kar dete hai, you know what I mean?
See,
and people tell me,
a
yeah,
lot of times what happens is when a client approaches you for makeup, okay, say a bridal, I'll give you bridal example.
only, yeah.
So वो लोग क्या करते हैं, वो लोग देखते हैं कि कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करते हो और आपका काम देखते हैं, which is good. And then they will say that I will my budget is so much. I'm like, okay, but that's not what I charge. मैं तुम
They
अगर
forget
काम
to
देख रहे हो
include ना your
तुम
labor.
मेरा yes,
This
I
is
was just about to get to it. तुम ये तो देखो कितने साल की मेहनत है, तुम मेरा क्रिएटिविटी देखो, you see the
Skill
time, you
देखो,
see the
skill.
efforts, and you see the energy that I'm putting into your D-Day. I mean, it's not just about थोपा और निकल गए.
and पैसों के लिए, see, I feel like that's the true distinguisher, right? Because you became an artist because you love makeup and you were doing
Exactly,
it on
yes.
it, and I think that becomes so confusing in today's world, and I struggle with it as a business owner and a founder when I'm choosing my team, क्योंकि I want passionate people who really love what they're doing and are in it for the
Yeah,
right reasons.
exactly.
The moment people start talking about compensation and money and this and that without even asking me what the project is and क्या है, I was like, नहीं, it's already a turn off for me. And इसीलिए ना real talented people are struggling in the creative industry, because मैं तुझे बोलती हूँ creative industry में ये सबसे बड़ा challenge है, क्योंकि किसी भी अलग job में ना skill set, तुम्हारा education, ये सब
Yes,
देख के तुम्हारा
yes.
salary ये होता है, set होता है.
Correct.
Now in a creative field, especially as a freelancer, this is where the challenge comes, because people often, as you said, you put some very physical ones. Makeup में भी लोग क्या देख रहे हैं कि product क्या use कर रहे हो, और दूसरा मतलब ठीक है काम, मतलब in the sense कि what is it, but they are not seeing the labor skill value of it.
Exactly.
अभी out of
वो लोग
India
बोलेंगे तुम supposing instead of using Gucci and Armani products, you use these, I'm not going
I
to
know,
name them.
use some
Yeah, use cheaper products.
cheaper products.
Okay, I'll do a flawless makeup with cheaper products as well, but I will still charge you the same.
But that labor money doesn't get adjusted there ना बाबा, like वो ना, it's so hard. But अभी ना यही हो रहा है क्योंकि इतने available लोग हैं कि people are just jumping.
So see, my recommendation, or at least what I would say is कि if you are a professional, if you know what you know your worth is, what your value is, what your work's value is, you do not charge 1500 rupees, 2000 rupees. That is, please ये सब मत करो, because at the end professionals are getting hampered. It's very simple. When professionals are charging you certain amount, an X amount, there's a reason behind that X amount. हम लोग ऐसे ही उठ के सपने में ये नहीं कर रहे कि ओ आज मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं
मैं
40,000
इतना बोलूं।
आज मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं 20-25,000.
हाँ,
नो,
आज मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं फ्री में कर दूं।
वो तो
अभी
कभी
सुना है
नहीं होना,
कभी?
वो कभी नहीं होने वाला.
He's like, on camera, मत बोलना ये what are you talking about? आजकल कितने लोग फ्री के लिए what is this
Boss.
collab thing,
I
boss?
have exactly this is a new thing.
This boils my blood.
See, if you are an up and coming makeup artist and you want to make your name, you want to build your portfolio,
you want designs,
yes, you do it for free.
Sure.
I have मैंने घिस के like you know मैंने free में किया है.
Absolutely.
The celebrities also that I've worked with, I've done for free. And why? Because it's not कि मेरा मेहनत वेस्ट जा रहा है, मेरे पोर्टफोलियो में वो आएगा.
Correct. It's translating somewhere.
Exactly.
It
It will
has to.
provide a good weightage to my portfolio. That's the reason I'm doing it for free. Now, कल उठ के कोई मेरे को like you know there are so many influencers that are coming and
You
telling
know,
me
right? What
that
I'm talking
please do it
about.
for free. We'll do a collab. I'm like, I'm sorry, but I don't even know you.
Plus मैं वैल्यू
Why
ही अगर
should I
देख
do
नहीं
it?
रही हूँ
Exactly.
कि करे तो क्यों करेंगे.
हाँ.
So I'm like, it has almost become like a added pressure in today's industry कि नहीं कि तुम collab क्यों नहीं करते हो. And I'm
Exactly.
like,
I mean, see, now I am 7.5 years into makeup, so I will not do collaborations.
and you already have your
I've already told you.
experience. You've
Exactly.
had that set.
I have a set clientele. They are happy with my work. They are paying me what I'm asking them. Good. ठीक है. I'm happy with it. There's a thin line between being being self-obsessed and being loving your own self.
Yeah.
So you love yourself, that is good. But being self-obsessed, like, oh ये तो मैं हूँ, मेरे सिवा और कोई कर ही नहीं सकता. I'm like,
Bitch,
अपनी
please again.
शक्ल देख पहले आईने में और फिर बात कर. You see yourself, you're at a 1, and you see me that you're talking to, which I believe I'm at 10. So
And you know what?
That's that.
But it's also usually the ones, and no offense, who are like saying this, ki, you know, I'm a 10. And that is what bothers me,
yeah,
because then I'm
it's
like,
we are
there is a lack
hypocrite.
of
We are such
self-awareness.
hypocrites.
I was like, ठीक है, हम 10 को 10 नहीं बोल रहे भाई, तू 1 होके 10 बोल रहा है, तो ये lack of self-awareness है.
ये बहुत होता है. People are like, why you do this? You want attention? Is he? So recently I posted this. You know, I came out of depression, and I posted a story on Instagram saying that you know I'm sorry I was off Instagram, I was off WhatsApp, I was off all social media.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry, but I'll start posting my content very soon, because I was going through depression, and I don't use this term depression lightly, because
Absolutely.
I know what a person goes through because I have been through
Been
it.
through it.
And ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आज डिप्रेशन में हूँ, कल मैं एकदम ये हो गया. You come out of it slowly,
It's a
gradually.
process.
It's a process.
Yeah.
Exactly. So like someone like, people are thinking you're grabbing attention. You're doing this for attention. And like, first of all, I don't do things for attention. Attention comes to me naturally.
यही कि
वो-
I attract attention.
Yes.
baby. मुझे करने की जरूरत नहीं
मैं
है
कहीं
कुछ.
पे भी जाता हूँ, मैं ऐसे क्लब्स में भी जाता हूँ. I go somewhere, I go to these gay parties also. People will look at me, they will stare at me, they will gossip about me. They will never come and approach me. When actually you come and approach me, people will be like, अरे ये तो बंदा बहुत sweet है.
बहुत sweet है,
They
बहुत
think
अच्छा
that
है.
I have a lot of attitude because the way I look. I mean, I'm sorry, I can't help it. I look so fabulous.
Exactly.
But that's on you. That's your insecurity,
on
and
the-
that's your anxiety speaking. That's not my.
That's not your problem.
That's not a me thing. It's a you thing.
Yeah, it's not your battle.
So at the end, when you come, you speak to me, तुम्हें पता चलेगा मैं कैसा हूँ. तुम
हाँ.
अच्छे से बात करो, मैं अच्छे से बात
But
करूंगा.
also इस इंसान को किसने पूछा है कि मतलब ओपिनियन देने
I'm
के
telling
लिए.
you now, there are so many, you know, chachis, like, you know.
और ऑनलाइन चाचीज बन गई है अभी.
online
पहले
चाचीज
तो
तो-
you know, ये ऑफलाइन नेबरहुड आंटीज हुआ करती थी.
बहुत.
अभी तो
बहुत.
ऑनलाइन चाची, चाचा, अंकल,
ये
मामा
सब ये
बन
गे
गए.
कम्युनिटी में तो भर भर के है. तो क्यों इतना मेकअप लगाता है? You have such a flawless skin, you don't need makeup. I'm like, Who are you to tell me that?
You know, and it's so
Am I
funny.
asking you for your unsolicited opinions?
And but also, why are gay people so bitchy?
I don't know. I mean,
Are you bitchy?
when it comes down to it, I am.
Yeah, but unnecessary. ये जो तू
Unnecessary,
बोल रहा है
like,
ना कि ये unnecessary
I'm talking to you अच्छे
opinions.
से.
Correct.
I'm talking to you very nicely, very, and there is a difference of opinion. कभी होता है तो तुम अच्छे से बात करो. Difference of opinion में
वो
तुम
तो
इतना
किसी में
बिची
भी
हो
होता है
जाते
ना,
हो.
उसमें
अरे
थोड़ी-
भैया, तुमने मतलब समझ के क्या रखा है? मतलब मैं कहाँ से आया हूँ? You think I'm some गाँव वाला क्या?
Exactly.
And गाँव वाला deserve more respect.
You know, हम भी ऐसे जब बात करते हैं कि गांव से है, इधर से, but they deserve more respect, one.
Exactly.
And second, this whole superiority of, you know, this was a conversation actually with Harish and I also, कि ना हम यहाँ से city life में बैठ के ना, we think पता नहीं हम कौन है, and then we have the audacity to judge everyone and anyone and everything. This
Superiority
online,
complex will be the end of human race. I'm telling you.
it is on the, like, I was going to say it has been. I was like, एक second. Like, I'm telling you, एक तो मतलब, see, this is coming from a single straight woman, right?
Okay.
Okay, एक तो there are no eligible, simple, straight men available in today's world because complexities, situationship, convenience, trauma, so many layers, right? एक तो वो मिलने से रहा. उसके बाद age is something for women कि बच्चे होने, अगर तुमको बच्चे चाहिए, you want kids, then there's a timeline.
Yes.
Right? No matter what, chalo, egg freezing, all of this, still there's a timeline because you can't be 50 and have a child and then the child is not even, like, you'll die before the child even becomes 18. You know, things like that. There's always like these things when you have to consider.
There's a biological clock that I've heard about.
Right. And then if there is anyone, then they're not straight. In the middle, if you meet someone, तो वो straight नहीं है.
Yeah, मेरा उल्टा है, पता है. Like, I see such a good-looking man. I hope he's gay or bi or both maybe. But he's either married
हाँ.
or he's straight. So when women say that whenever I like a good-looking guy, he's either married or gay, for me it's like he's either married or straight. I
Where
mean,
are the people? Like,
in between भी तो कुछ होना चाहिए.
किधर है किधर? हम लोग इधर बैठे हैं दो ये बातें कर रहे हैं जिनको पता ही नहीं है.
You won't believe the other day I was sitting with my dad and we were like, you know, we were talking about something and my brother, he comes and he's talking about his ex-girlfriend and so and उसकी शादी का बारे में सब बातचीत चल रहा था. So I have a younger brother.
हाँ.
So my dad is like, what's your scene? And I'm out to my parents. They know. I'm like, what do you mean? Like, do you have a partner? Are you going to get kids? I'm like, first, let me find a boyfriend. Then let me get married. And then I'll think about kids.
Think about kids
So
whenever
like,
that
whatever
happens.
you want to do, बच्चे पैदा करना. Have kids. It's a blessing. I'm like, oh my God. Give it a break. You find me a good guy, a good Parsi guy.
Correct.
Emphasis on guy. And then
Parsi.
I'll see. Yeah.
And then someone I want to have kids with. Exactly. Like, all these combinations right now in one person seems very impossible to me in today's world. On top of that, like, now people are now just so many men, my guy friends, single straight guys, they don't want to have kids anymore.
See, kids, when you say kids, na, it's not ऐसे ही हवे में बात करना. When you're talking about kids, it's a big thing. It's not a big, it's a huge responsibility.
It should be. देख, पहले ना जमाने में नहीं सोचा था इतना.
Exactly.
बच्चे पैदा करे जा रहे हैं मशीन की तरह, समझ ही नहीं है क्यों बच्चे पैदा कर रहे हैं.
You are bringing a human being into the world. You need to be mentally, emotionally, physically prepared for it.
Exactly. And now that self-awareness has increased because we have seen so much in this, as a millennial especially. So millennials are only the people, I'm telling you.
Yes.
कि ये जो टाइम चलेगा, millennials है single. तुम Gen Z देख लो, I know so many people who are already married and are having kids.
Gen Zs?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I feel so old right now. But never mind.
No, I think this is we are like the, you know, there's two ways of putting it, right? कि हमने भी बहुत trauma, हमने बहुत कुछ देख लिया दोनों साइड से. पेरेंट्स के जनरेशन से, अभी फिर इधर के जनरेशन से.
Hmm.
So now it's just the trauma. Why depression? Why trauma? Why all of these things? Because it's a very challenging. And this whole
Hmm.
digital era, we have seen the era from libraries to not having a phone to Google and just everything booming to social media and influencers.
True.
We are the only, and this is always going to stay with us. No other generation is going to, or no other, there's not going to be another millennial who's gone through this drastic of a phase and
Absolutely.
change. And on top of that, we had COVID in our whatever 20s.
Oh God, that was another
तो हमें ना
trauma.
कोई क्रेडिट नहीं देता है बीइंग मिलेनियल्स. मैं तुम्हें बोल रही हूँ कि देयर इज अ रीजन क्यों हम इतना सोचते हैं हर बारे में कि क्यों हमको ऐसा पार्टनर चाहिए, क्यों ऐसा चाहिए, फिर ऐसा करेंगे. ये लोगों से समझ नहीं आता है.
नहीं आता. That's the thing ना. People have made it so simple and easy. Sex is available anytime, anywhere. I mean,
मार्केट प्लेस हो गया है ना इसका.
see, it's not a bad thing, I'll say.
Hey, listen,
I
I'm not.
mean,
Oh no,
but,
on the record, we are not complaining. Listen, and also, I don't want to fucking jinx this by like putting out negative energy about it. Like, why is there
No,
so
no, no,
much?
I'm not
It's like,
complaining.
oh God, why is there so much sex in the world? Like, so no.
Sex is a good thing. It's a beautiful thing. But जब तुम किसी भी चीज को एक्सेस में करो ना, तो
Exactly. वो खराब
उसका
होनी
वैल्यू
है.
गिर जाता है.
हाँ, किसी भी चीज का तुम रोज कुछ एक्सेसिव खा सकते हो या कुछ कर सकते हो.
Exactly. Anything in
बैलेंस चाहिए.
excess.
मुझे बैलेंस इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू
I
मी.
agree.
बैलेंस
true.
में सब करो.
That's true. I agree.
Partner is also balance, no? Technically the word. But if you say it's partner, it's sharing.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
है ना?
That's what people need to know, that you are equally giving time and efforts. ऐसा नहीं कि एक साइड से ही हो रहा है.
वन साइड से होगा तो वो कभी चलेगा ही नहीं ना. इट्स
हाँ.
नॉट सस्टेनेबल.
फिर
वैसे
वो
भी
ये हो जाता है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको. रणबीर कपूर की कौन सी मूवी थी, वन साइडेड लव वाला. रणबीर कपूर, अनुष्का शर्मा.
ऐश्वर्या राय.
हाँ
चन्ना मेरे
हाँ,
आए.
यस,
कौन सी मूवी
एग्जैक्टली.
है, कोई बताओ मुझे ये.
ए दिल है मुश्किल. हाँ,
हाँ,
करेक्ट. ए
thank
दिल है
you.
मुश्किल.
Thank
तो
you,
वो
Ritik.
फिर वन साइडेड एक तरफा प्यार
मैंने
हो
मूवी
जाता
देखी
है.
नहीं है. क्या होता है इसमें? एंडिंग क्या है? बैड एंडिंग है, हैप्पी एंडिंग है?
It's been a while since I watched that
मतलब
movie.
उतना ही याद है
It's
तुम्हें
okay. I mean,
रेफरेंस
at
की
the end
वन
of the
साइडेड लव है.
at the end, मतलब Ranbir Kapoor loves Anushka Sharma, but she does. Sorry, Anushka Sharma loves Ranbir.
And he
or
loves
something ऐसा
Aishwarya
कुछ.
Rai.
एक he loves Anushka Sharma, but उसको वो पसंद नहीं है. She only likes him as a friend.
यही होता है.
And
देख,
Aishwarya Rai likes Ranbir Kapoor as more than a friend, but Ranbir Kapoor has hots for Anushka Sharma.
बाप
So it's like a
रे.
love triangle through and through.
यार, at least there's a triangle. Here there is not even an angle at the moment. I was like, okay, triangle is a good problem to have at the moment.
I swear. Okay. Yeah. I
am
agree.
saying
Yeah.
triangle in other ways also.
No, you lost me. What is it?
Oh, I'm talking about like 3 people involved.
Let's talk about this off camera.
I know. Like,
Yes.
cut. This is the triangle. Triangle. I need to try a triangle. This is, listen, editing.
You should
I have the
definitely
editing
try a
power,
triangle.
but I want to
You
try a
should, you should.
triangle.
It's good. Life में हर तरह के experiences
मुझे
होने
I
चाहिए.
am full on board with it, 100%. मतलब as long as you have control over it, you're safe, you're fine, you know what you're doing.
Yes.
You're not getting forced into it. You're an adult.
Consent. Yeah.
Have fun, right? See,
Absolutely.
we just kind of, God universe, we're just talking about the good side, good parts of sex. That way, there's no misunderstanding out here, right? Like that we love having sex, but also we love love.
प्यार बड़ी प्यारी चीज है.
I love that. ये ना टैगलाइन होएगी इस एपिसोड की ना. मैं अगर इसमें डालूंगी ना, प्यार बड़ी प्यारी चीज है, and then it'll have this expression of you pop up. But listen, you've had your fair share. You spoke a little bit about depression.
Yeah.
But and I want to like obviously delve a little more into it in the sense of like was your relationship also like or your involvement a big part of like what led to the depression? And I'm asking because a lot of the viewers or a lot of us can relate to it. We all have gone through it.
So, see, I'll be very frank with you. When it comes to relationships, I'm a very soft-hearted person. I make myself available like this, which is wrong.
Yeah.
I have had bad relationships, and I wouldn't call them relationships because we were not even like boyfriends. We were kind of just seeing, as
Seeing
I
each
said, we
other.
were seeing each
Dating,
other.
yeah.
And we are seeing, like, when I'm meeting a guy, I'm meeting him for the first time. We are seeing where we are going.
Right.
We are seeing if we are compatible with each
That's
other
how it all should
mentally,
start.
emotionally,
Yeah.
physically also.
Yeah.
Not wrong in there's nothing wrong in that.
Correct.
At the end, when I don't develop feelings for that person or vice versa, that's where, difference of opinions happen and there's a lot of clash. So see, there is nothing wrong in if you like someone and that person does not like you back. There's
Right.
nothing wrong in that.
Right.
You get feelings naturally. You can't, तुम feelings को पैदा नहीं कर सकते हो. तुम naturally feelings आती है. तुम्हें अगर कोई बंदा या बंदी पसंद आता है, so at the end of the day, it's not कि तुम्हें वो पसंद है, that's so उसको भी तुम पसंद आने चाहिए.
Correct.
But leading on, that's wrong. If you don't like that person, तुम सीधा बोल दो that I want to be friends and just be honest about it.
But
and
mixed signals, Madhu.
mixed signals मत दो. Exactly. If you're telling that you want to be friends, you don't go around holding hands. You don't go around, ऐसे आंखों में आंखें डाल के ऐसे देखना, ऐसे चिपकना, like हाथ में हाथ डाल के. I mean, that's not what friends do.
No.
You can't do that. So I mean,
This is where it
recently only.
starts.
So recently, what I told you.
Yeah.
So this guy, like we used to talk every day.
Yeah.
We are like on calls, video calls, and all. And there were some videos that he sent, which like not completely naked or anything. But when I said that if you
But you would
if
do it
you're
with a
telling
friend.
me if you're telling me that you consider me only as a friend,
Correct.
what were those videos that you were sending me?
Yeah. No.
I mean,
That's
do you
not
send
aligned.
these videos to all your friends? You know
Correct.
what he said? The reply will shake you. He said, I'm a nudist. I send these to everyone. I'm like, excuse me?
Hello? That's a no.
I'm like, okay, you're a nudist. I understand you like to show off your body. जो body
ठीक
थी भी
है.
नहीं उसकी. I'm like,
I love that. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. जो है वो है.
so I'm like, what तुम्हें दिखाने के लिए कुछ होना भी
भी चाहिए
चाहिए.
तो क्या दिखा
But
क्या रहे हो?
अगर तुम दिखा भी रहे हो, but at the end of the day, you are giving me mixed signals. You are saying that you want to be friends, and then you're showing me all this. I mean, there was a
Did you
word that
address
also-
it?
I did.
And what
then
was your
he's like,
response?
yeah, that's my issue. I'll deal with it. I'm like, yeah, you're saying it so proudly. It's nothing to be proud of.
Also, don't make it my issue. Because now you've made it my issue by sending it to me.
So
Na?
I told him that, see, you are telling, you are accepting it, that's good, but you need to work on it.
Yeah. Acknowledgement
Acknowledgement
is
is
one thing.
good, but you also need to work on
Yeah.
it instead of being proud about it.
And being like,
This
that's
is-
my problem. you
Yeah,
know?
that's not a right problem to
No.
have. I'm sorry.
And I think a lot of people these days ना एक तो बहुत ईगो भी है, lack of self awareness है, बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें complicate हो गई है.
बहुत. There's
But also
hypocrisy is at the-
double standards तो at its peak मैं देख रही हूँ
बहुत,
फिलहाल,
बहुत.
बहुत ज़्यादा. And the fakeness, I don't know. And I think we are supposed to move towards like the opposite, like not towards all of this, but away from it over time. So I'm not sure like what is it that's kind of encouraging this, but it's
Yeah.
also like this again coming back to the same topic. It's that whole availability, supply demand.
Exactly.
know-
That's where now I've made myself so like I've told them that I'm sorry, I'm not available only.
Yeah, you
Emotionally
have
भी
to
नहीं,
make
Mentally bhi.
yourself
You want to be a friend, you be friends.
right.
I'm okay with being friends.
But also you have to give only that much of yourself.
Exactly.
And that is a thing I struggle with it. तो मैं
Same.
समझ पाती हूँ तुम्हें कि तुम जब बोल रहे हो क्योंकि मैं भी मतलब as a friend I'm a very again emotional person and I'm a very trusting person also. तो मैं if I do something I'll do it with all my heart, especially if it's a human or a person involved, right?
Exactly.
Like that is like we lead with emotions.
I mean, you get emotional when it even comes to an animal. तुम तो फिर भी इंसान हो, तो तुम सोचो ना तुम क्या कर रहे हो
क्या
किसी के
कर
साथ.
रहे हो किसी के साथ and how it is not it's not just one incident. You never know whose life is what and what they're going through.
Exactly.
So it's not just one, it becomes a part of and you don't know what you're kind of
Yeah,
really
I mean,
starting to
they have their trauma, but you're not the only one with trauma, darling.
exactly. And we all have listen this
I have my own trauma.
and this is one part of your life. What about
Exactly.
the other part of your life? Like as a makeup artist, as a model,
Yeah.
there are so many challenges that you come as a gay man. you know,
Definitely.
there's just a whole lot of like layers to it. And I want to know, see, from, you know, because obviously I said as a gay man as well, even in terms of the community, like when I speak to you about relationships as well, do you think like there is a specific something more that kind of just becomes very, very exclusive to the gay community, where, you know, people need to be more aware and still need to understand?
So about the gay community, I'll just say one thing, that hookups have become so easy. Sex has become so simple and available at every step that people think not even twice, they think 110 times before getting emotionally involved. And that's where people start, getting that, that bitchy, sassy, bitchy vibes
Vibes,
from
yeah.
someone, because
Yeah.
it's not their problem. That is a you thing.
You
That's not a
thing. That's not
me
a
thing.
them thing.
Them thing. Exactly.
Yeah.
So, I mean, see, for me, I put makeup. I like to dress up, and this is how I express myself.
This is you.
This is me. I
Yeah.
like to express myself that way. That does not mean that I will always behave this feminine and this and that. I mean, sometimes I like to, but I'm not all the time like this.
But also, you are not
Gay.
functioning according to other people's expectations here, na? You're just being yourself.
That's the thing. See, I'll explain it in a very crisp way.
Yeah.
Gay community mein, people have, especially Indian gay people, they have a thing that, if you're feminine, you're not, मतलब
You're not gay.
you're not gay नहीं, you're too feminine. तुम, हम लोग दीदी बोलते हैं, you're a दीदी, तुम ऐसे हो, ये सब, it's not good.
What
First
is
of all,
even this?
I'll tell you, pronouns are important.
Yes.
If you are calling a he, if you're calling him she, ठीक है, friends में, so my pronouns are he, him, his.
Yeah.
फ्रेंड सर्कल में अगर तुम मेरे को शी बोलोगे या फिर शी इज लाइक दिस, लाइक चलता है, बट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ क्राउड इफ यू आर एड्रेसिंग मी लाइक ओ ये तो दीदी है, ये ऐसी है, ये ऐसी, आई एम सॉरी, दैट्स नॉट
That's very
एक्सेप्टेबल.
offensive.
एग्जैक्टली.
But it's also offensive overall. Like, अगर मुझे भी किसी ने ही बोला,
हाँ,
मैं she हूँ. So it's not
exactly.
just like very restricted to your
That's
community.
exactly
It's as
where
a
I'm saying
human.
that pronouns are very
It's
important.
so important, and people don't understand here.
They don't.
They're
वो
like,
लोग बस
क्या है?
मतलब तुमने मेकअप पहना है, तुम लड़की हो, सीधा जेंडर ही चेंज कर देते, तुम लड़की हो. अरे भाई,
भाई क्यों? Just because मैंने मेकअप पहना है तो मैं लड़की बन गई. It's so stereotypical.
it's very stereotypical.
it's so- and it's
Half
also
of them
dumb.
even say तुम छक्का हो, तुम ही. अरे भाई, छक्का ट्रांसजेंडर अलग होते हैं, गे पीपल आर डिफरेंट, लेस्बियंस आर डिफरेंट. तुम मेरा जेंडर मत चेंज करो जस्ट बिकॉज मैं मेकअप
Makeup
पहनता
पहन रहा
हूँ,
हूँ,
हील्स
exact.
पहनता हूँ.
या मुझे जो पहनना, essentially मुझे जो पहनना है मैं वो पहन रहा हूँ. See, obviously it's like, it's very like, it's so like, why don't you get it kind of a thing, but also, yeah, people
See,
don't.
it's not easy to be who you are. I'm being very honest.
Conditioning.
And you will want to, sometimes even I struggle with, expressing myself freely, because when I also, if wear so much makeup and
Yeah.
leave now, my parents will also be like, you're spoiling your skin, तुम्हें makeup इतना नहीं करना. I'm like, see, आप जब makeup करते थे वो जमाना अलग था मम्मी, and
It's true.
this makeup routine what I am following is अभी का.
हाँ.
So makeup करने से पहले, makeup के बाद भी मैं जो स्किन केयर करता हूँ,
करता हूँ,
so
routine है.
that's the reason my skin is, मैं 7 साल से मेकअप
And
कर रहा हूँ, मेरा
by
स्किन
the
का
way,
कुछ हुआ नहीं
skin
है.
is fabulous. I love it.
Oh, thank
And it's glowing. It's so nice.
Thank you.
If I was a makeup artist, I would be like, can you please be my model?
Oh. Yeah. So I've started modeling also now. Like, a lot of
more.
about this.
Are you and I think you would be great on the runway. Have you done pageants?
I have.
Oh, look at
So,
I have.
so I
love it.
literally started my modeling career after I competed in a pageant by Color Positive. So Color Positive is an NGO that is like, mainly it's for the LGBT community, but it's not just LGBT, it's also for straight allies.
Very
So even
nice.
straight ladies,
Right.
straight people are also, allowed to participate.
I love that. That's the inclusive. That's the
That's
world
called
we want.
That's called inclusivity.
Yes.
So I participated. There are different categories now: Mr. King, Miss Queen, this so and so. Now there was a category for androgynous.
Love it.
Mr. Queen India.
For our viewers, explain what androgynous means.
Okay, so androgynous is something like a man. So I'm a man, I will dress up half as a man, half as a female. So ऊपर से maybe like how Ranveer Singh had dressed up. He had worn a sherwani and नीचे he had worn a ghagra. That's called androgynous. Half male, half
Half
female.
female. Got it.
So that's what androgynous is. So I wanted to explore. I had never cross-dressed. I had never worn a skirt, ghagra dress. Never in my life. I had worn shorts. I had worn heels, of course. But मैंने स्कर्ट ऐसा कभी पहना नहीं था. So I was like, okay, let's see, let's experiment. So I applied in the androgynous category of Mr. Queen, and I really came out of my comfort zone because I really enjoyed the way I was expressing myself.
Love it.
Like when I was even competing for the pageant on stage, there was a completely different vibe which I can't even explain in words. It was so pretty. It was so wonderful, and it's all thanks to Color Positive that I won the pageant. I won the title of Mr. Queen India 2024 and Mr. Rainbow Queen India 2020. I won 2 titles.
Congratulations. That is very,
And
very, very
it has been
nice.
a lovely journey. After that, my modeling career picked up,
Very
and
nice.
I recently did a runway show for NIF Global.
Ooh.
Yeah, so as an androgynous model, because over there also I was
Love
the
it.
only guy wearing heels. There was no other.
That's fabulous.
That's where awareness needs to be created. That
Absolutely.
androgynous modeling is also a thing.
Yes, and
And
see,
you need
listen,
to be
and I've
comfortable with
told you,
it.
that's why I just say, like, speak more or like explain, because again, we don't even know that there's a category out there that exists for, people
Absolutely.
who really would want to participate and take part.
Absolutely. See, whatever you feel, whatever you want to do, you have the luxury of doing it, not at the expense of hurting someone.
Right.
But you need to prove, if you want to prove yourself, definitely. I always say that, the world is your stage. Strut the runway, darling.
Love it. Here comes from Mr. Queen 2024.
Yeah.
Strut the runway, darling. Another, you're giving me too many taglines. It's going to be
Ah.
confusing. But no, I love that modeling journey has started, and that you're really feeling confident. And the best things sometimes come out when you're out of your comfort zone. And you never
Absolutely.
even know that this might turn into something. But look, you participated and then you ended up winning, and then it's led to like a whole different
Exactly.
career
That's
as well.
what.
And I love that. I think it's very inspiring for anyone who's listening, like be out there, participate, do it.
Yeah, you have to get yourself out there to, get into it
Right. And I
and
think
achieve what you want.
that's beautiful. And I think similarly for makeup also, this is what happened, na? If I can like draw the parallels here, कि HR कर रहा था, फिर suddenly makeup.
So HR के बाद, so I बचपन से ना मेरे को डांस का बड़ा शौक था. When I went in college in my junior college, I enrolled in Shamak Davar.
Oh,
And I
nice.
got trained as a dancer. I started dancing with Shamak Davar.
Love Shamak Davar.
And then I wanted to, so that time my mind was, I was a very fickle-minded teenager, you can say. I wanted to become a dancer. So HR के बाद I tried getting into dancing, into choreographing.
Yeah.
But that did not really work out career-wise. I tried modeling also that time. And बाद में, like, someone told me that there's a makeup artist in our building and she teaches makeup if you want to learn. I was like, okay, why not give it a shot? I learned under her, and I learned fashion makeup. I learned avant-garde makeup. I learned all sorts of makeup. मेरे को मतलब ऐसा था जो मेरे को कब पता भी नहीं कि makeup ऐसा होता है. For me, makeup was just compact. I did not even know foundation. I just knew compact, blush, and kajal and lips. That's it. There were so many things, and till date I'm learning.
That's
As a
the
makeup
only
artist,
makeup I know. What you just said.
हाँ.
मुझे अगर खुद का करना है तो मुझे यही पता है. तुम अगर पहले के पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड्स देखोगे ना,
हाँ.
तुम्हें मेरा मेकअप दिखेगा.
But I've seen a few.
Which
उसमें मतलब
yeah, there's
nude
there's
makeup,
no
मतलब no makeup.
makeup.
There's literally no makeup.
No, that is just me doing kajal, eyeliner,
Wow.
lipstick, compact, and concealer a little bit. No foundation. I'm telling you, today I've done mehnat.
No, but still, your skin looks good.
Aw.
Even without makeup, I've seen your podcasts. Your skin looks good.
I can't wait for us to do something together.
Definitely, I'm also looking
You
forward
know?
to it.
And I have like a essay, like obviously now I know like you have great dressing sense. So it's like I'm gonna bring out my outfits and we'll do like a photo shoot together. I would
Let's
love
do
it.
it. I would like to. Let's make reels also. I would love to
Yes,
do it.
and you said dance now. You know what I've done just about as of yesterday?
Hmm.
I've started to learn like again because I used to love dancing.
Oh,
And then
wow.
so many years, it's been a decade, I never got back into it. Like my mom used to take me to dance competitions, like 3 years old, Boogie Woogie, Kya Masti
Ah.
Kya Dhoom, all of those shows.
Yes,
So
yes.
everywhere she's taken me. And I'm like this little doing, all these songs, Shamak Dawar songs, Le Gayi, Le Gayi.
Ah.
Le gayi. That, so I think I went on the stage.
Actually, I had also auditioned for this India Superstar Dancer. I
Yeah.
had given an audition for it, but on screen नहीं आया because second round में हम लोग को out करते. So I was with a girl and we did a couple dance at that time. So हम लोग ने लत लग गई पे किया था.
Ooh,
Now
love
then
that
now
song.
I'm wondering अगर उस लत लग गई पे मैं अकेला करता
I think so. अभी मैं वही बोल रही थी तुम अगर अकेले करते ना तो
Oh,
there was
that
no
time I
way.
was not very expressive about myself
Well,
that
you
way.
know
I
what?
was like नहीं ये लड़की का सॉन्ग तो लड़की को साथ में वैसा.
Got it. It's never too late. But we're definitely doing a dance reel.
Absolutely.
किधर भी जाए मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है हम डांस करेंगे
करेंगे,
just for the pure
absolutely.
love of loving dancing and loving Shamak Dawar.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And again, shout out to Shamak Dawar, right? I think the millennials of me growing up, like he was an icon
Yeah,
to
yeah.
me, and like it was just Shamak Dawar,
Definitely,
like
definitely.
I have
We
gone to
used
see him
like
perform.
the choreographies are also amazing.
Amazing.
They're literal. When you say dance, that's what for me. That's what dance is.
Absolutely. The songs then, the choreography. Don't see that anymore. Now I don't see the same kind of choreography.
And now it's all jumping.
Very complex also now.
It's-
Like
I mean,
I
I don't
like that
understand.
simple
See,
Bollywood wala
yes,
choreography
same.
na.
For me also hip hop and Bollywood. That Bollywood dance
That
is
tadka. The end, like the jhumka, I'm saying. Jhumka nahi, jhumka bhi hota hai, but thumka, and like, those dance, even like Karishma Kapoor, Madhuri Dixit,
Yes.
that era, and like those,
Yes.
we'll do something fun. I can think, Abhina, I'm already starting to think, I'm sitting here, but I'm thinking ki, what are we going to do together? So my
Yeah.
creative mind
Why
has
not?
started.
Why not?
Why not? Exactly. Acha, today I cut you out from something, but we were talking about the makeup industry ka, like how you started. Like, so you then
Yes.
obviously learned.
So I
all
learned
the-
makeup, and then after that I started doing like small photo shoots. That time I used to work for free because I needed my profile
Fair
and
enough, we
everything.
all have done it.
So I did. I used to get paid also thoda bahut, but that's fine. Then lockdown happened.
Because you
Lockdown
said
में तो
2018, and then there's
so
not
2
much
years
time.
after 2 years lockdown happened, there was literally nothing. But the moment lockdown ended, September or October, my journey with celebrity started. The same year.
How did that happen?
So it was a reference. So I did makeup for my sister's, my cousin's wedding, and the photographer liked my work, and he was a photographer for one celebrity. So he referred me as her makeup artist, and from her I got a lot of celebrity.
Once you
work.
get in,
Yeah,
that, and you do one celebrity. Who was your first celebrity?
Sarah Khan.
Oh, so
Yeah.
nice.
So
Love it.
that was Sarah Khan from Sarah Arfeen Khan, if you know.
Yeah. Arfeen is the coach. I actually, it's so funny because the other day I was at Tim Hortons right here, and and Arfeen is my Facebook friend.
Oh.
But I have no idea how and when. Maybe because years ago in the industry, I've probably met him at some point or whatever. And I saw it, and I was like, where have I seen this guy? Where have I seen this guy?
He was in Mere Brother Ki Dulhan. I remember him from that.
Exactly. And it just like, it's funny that you're just saying, because then from Arfeen, I like thought of Sarah. And I was like, okay, Sarah, I know in the
Yeah.
sense, like as a part of the industry. So that's amazing though. How was your experience?
Very
Like,
nice.
Because,
very nice.
a first time is always special.
Yeah, I
in
mean,
terms
see,
of-
for me, she was my first celebrity that I worked with, not my
Correct.
first time doing makeup.
हाँ.
So I was like, at the end of the day, I
First
am
time is special,
professional.
so I thought about something else only.
I
went there. Like this episode is revolving around it. I was like, yeah, first time is special. I was like, I think first time celebrity makeup is special. Full form. Long form of it.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it was but also did you have, was it like in a way, did you feel that, okay, this is the right path that you're in, essentially?
Absolutely, absolutely. And she was very welcoming. She was very warm. She had invited me home for her photo shoot for like, brand promotions and all. So it was all collaborations.
Collabs, yeah.
And it was amazing. Like there was a, look that we created together for like, I think the reference was Deepika Padukone's wet hair look. So we created that. It was amazing. I love that. So that I kept that as my DP, for a very long time because I was doing her, and the photos came amazing. It was really good. And after that, I started doing makeup for these like, celebrities, like TV actors. So recently, then I got an opportunity to work with the Miss Universe, which is Harnaaz Sandhu.
She's gorgeous.
She is a sweetheart. I
Oh
worked
my
with her
gosh.
twice.
Okay.
Like once when she was competing for the pageant, and the second one after like when she was in the final. So two times basically I've done her makeup.
Yeah.
Itna pata hai. So I'm really proud of my, and after when she won, I started getting a lot of like, compliments that
Yeah.
lovely, congratulations, she won. I'm like, chalo, good. Acha hai.
No, she looked gorgeous. I remember watching it. I
Yeah.
didn't know you're behind in the
That was in
behind the-
Miss Diva when she was competing in Miss Diva. Miss Universe, so she had gone.
No. I'm talking about Miss Diva only.
Yes.
I actually missed the Miss Universe one. I've not watched because,
There was
but
this
again,
one
when I
look
saw
that
her
I
at
had
Miss
created.
Diva, like because gorgeous features,
Yeah.
right? Gorgeous, like just so defined. But again, makeup artists are
No.
amazing. Listen, I have to give you credit. Like today, you're on my podcast. I was like, hey, very talented though. So
Thank
I
you
love
so
that.
much.
And
Thank you.
I will tell you personally because I've not had a chance to see the work or see your makeup, but just listening and like just watching you today, like just the way you've come, it's so. I really am looking forward for us to work together. I would
I would
really
love to.
appreciate it, and I have
Love
good
to,
skin.
love to.
I'll take better care of it. I'm not
Yes.
following a skin routine to the T, but I need to.
No, see, even I don't follow it to the T, but when it comes down to it, na, I follow it thoda bahut karta hu. Like on Sundays, if I'm like, not
तुम्हें
doing anything,
viewers को थोड़े tips दे दो.
hydration is key.
सबसे
Simple.
बुरी आदत मेरी.
Pani pite raho. But see, even if not water, at least, if you have a dry skin, na,
Beer चलेगा.
दौड़ेगा.
मैं beer मुझे दिन भर पिला मैं पी लूंगी.
Beer दौड़ेगा.
पानी.
Because ultimately, that's also liquid
Exactly,
only.
liquid form, right? जो भी beer चलेगा. Beer से kidney stones भी ठीक होती है.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
Right?
My
Skin भी
dad.
glow होती है.
Skin, nahi, that's a myth.
मुझे मुझे
हाँ.
this is me making my
Yes.
my list of why I have to drink beer, okay?
Skin
But
glow.
okay, that's a myth is coming from the professional here. Beer wouldn't help your skin
It's not
glow.
a myth. उससे बस तुम्हारे dark circles शायद बढ़ेंगे, but और
Okay, beer वाला routine is just mine, guys. बाकी का tips सुन लो. Hydration for sure. What else?
just keep moisturizing and applying sunscreen.
Moisturizing, yes, sunscreen.
Because in
Sunscreen.
India, you definitely need sunscreen. Like, see, for me, मैं sunscreen लगा के निकलता हूँ, वो पसीने में बह जाता है. Because I sweat a lot
देख
and
मेरी
the
मम्मी
heat.
वहां से.
It's a fact. I'm telling you, it is a big fact कि because of the humid climate of Bombay, it just melts away.
Drips
So you
away.
need that sunscreen का आजकल वो spray आता है.
Spray.
So you keep applying that whenever you go anywhere.
No, it's and you also 4 to 5 times a day if you're out also, na. Also, there's a myth. Now tell me if it's true. कि घर में हो तो नहीं लगाना है सनस्क्रीन लगाना है ना
लगाना है because
See?
घर में sunlight नहीं आता.
वही मैं बोल रहा वैसे घर में भी तो लाता है प्लस ऑल्सो इट्स अ हैबिट थिंग ऑल्सो चल वैसे भी
Shower कर लो अच्छे से and
हाँ.
after that you apply your sunscreen.
इज दैट वन थिंग वन
Simple.
ब्यूटी टिप दैट एक चीज तो तुमने मिस करनी नहीं चाहिए अपने रूटीन में
Sunscreen.
सनस्क्रीन
Don't miss it if you because see अभी ozone depletion के बाद your skin is going to get affected. Wrinkles आएंगे, blemishes आएंगे, and acne marks आएंगे. If that is like if you're a teenager or in your early 20s.
Yeah.
So it's better to always hydrate your skin by drinking first water. Second, apply moisturizer. If not moisturizer, at least apply a moisturizing sunscreen that keeps your skin hydrated and plump.
मैं खुद के लिए पूछ रही हूँ तुम्हें पता है ना because I was like मुझे
So what's
I
your
have to
skin
get
type?
my
First tell
routine.
me that. What's your skin type?
See, it used to be really oily, especially on the tees.
Hmm.
But I went through a lot of acne problem in the last before coming to Bombay. So essentially up until London and Canada, because I kept moving countries and weather changes and things like that. And I cut everything. I cut dairy, but also partly, I'm just like, it could be my toxic relationship also and the stress that came up with
Yes.
it. Just putting it out there. Ki guys, at least leave your toxic partners for your skin. Because that might help.
Yes.
सच्ची बोल
Word
रही
to
हूँ
the wise,
कसम
darling.
से.
Word to the wise.
I'm telling you, I've seen a difference. I'm like, और फिर like now I'm obviously just left with a few marks from the past, जैसे बोल सकते हैं कि which will some scars would take time to go. But in terms of my skin now, it's very like normal. It's not super dry. It's not super oily. I found like a good balance.
So
Like
basically, you've got a sensitive skin.
extremely. Listen, when I wax also, na my skin peels off. That level of sensitivity.
Same.
Same.
मेरा ये एरिया में होता है because my certain parts are
ये
super
वाला
sensitive. यहाँ
ये
पे होता है,
especially underarm
यहाँ
कभी
पे
मेरा
होता
हो गया
है.
ये वाला
So
same.
I've been through all this. So when you are, like suppose if for sensitive skin, you go for a moisturizer which is more, you can say aqua based, water based
Water based, no
moisturizer.
oil based,
No
है
oil
ना?
based, yeah. Because
See?
oil tends to clog your pores. So let's try avoiding
And
oil
also
based
always
moisturizers.
wipe your makeup off before you go to bed.
Absolutely. You wipe your makeup off. You wash your face properly with a cleanser or a face
Cleanser.
wash, and उसके बाद you apply a night
Moisturizer
cream
or
or
exactly a
serum,
night exactly.
and
See?
then you go to sleep. मैं तो हर रोज ये करता हूँ whenever I apply
Acha, tell
makeup.
me something when you party too hard.
हाँ
हाँ, recently I read a meme कि
हाँ
मतलब ना the women or because it was women oriented anyway, but the women who party hard and like are blackout drunk and still come home
हाँ.
and get their makeup off are psychopaths.
I salute them. I'm like, तुम literally होश में हो. अगर तुम मेकअप निकालने के होश में हो तो तुम होश में हो. You're not drunk. You're not blackout drunk.
I was like, one of these statements is one thing that is incorrect in here.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि ये नहीं हो पाता है.
See, even when I also get home drunk, I'm like, so I don't drink that way. अभी I'm
हो गया
done
वो
with that.
अभी हम
That
we are
phase is-
millennials
Yes.
तो वो हो गया है but वो
Exactly.
था.
So now, like my circle is gentlemen and ladies,
Gentlemen.
not boys and girls. So I mean,
They-
boys and girls is also fine, but
ये मतलब boys and girls you're talking in one aspect of it.
yeah, mentally I'm talking. एज में तुम कौन से भी एज के रहो, I'm okay with it.
मेंटल एज
Mental age
I can't. हम वापस पहुंच गए घूम फिर के. ये गाइस हमारा प्लान नहीं था कि हम टॉपिक के घुमा फिरा के हम इधर ही आएंगे बट somehow हम इधर ही घूम रहे हैं. I think it's just what we are going through,
It's
it
the
just becomes
vibe.
very
It's
real.
just the vibe.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is how we are. है ना ये कुछ ये
My
प्लान नहीं है.
mom was asking me ये podcast कहाँ पे आने वाला है.
हाँ.
I want to watch it. Now I'm like, मैं दिखाओ कि नहीं दिखाओ मम्मी को.
मेरी मम्मी तो बैठी है इधर लाइव देख रही है तो तुमको तो दिखाना ही है आफ्टर दिस. इफ आई एम गोइंग थ्रू इट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू इट. पापा को भी दिखाना है.
पापा को दिखाऊंगा चलेगा.
मम्मी
Judgmental होती है थोड़ी, but it's okay. She's my mom.
Exactly.
I love her any which ways.
Oh, I'd like definitely, I'm to thinking because my mom's also here, like there's one segment that I definitely want to do with like mums also being a part of the podcast,
अरे वाह.
It throws a very different light.
हाँ हाँ.
हाँ और also पता भी चलता है और चीजें जो नहीं हम वैसे भी बताते हैं.
Done. Let me know when can I bring my mom.
Yeah, I would love for her to
खूबसूरती का
come.
राज पता चल जाएगा आप लोग को. I'm not
Exactly.
getting my mom. No.
I was like, hey, hello, thanks for dropping her. See you. I'm already telling you what it is going to be like. But I would love for her to see the studio also. I think
Done.
ab to she'll come only at some point.
I'll try my best.
Yeah, when we do dance reels.
नहीं, dance I don't think she'll be very interested, but like ऐसे when we are talking and
She'll love to watch
bullshitting,
ना.
she
You
would
know,
love
today,
to watch.
what was she doing today? If I knew पहले ना, then I would have been like, अरे bring her.
नहीं, अरे actually आज तो हमारे बिल्डिंग में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चली गई थी, so it was all about that, but अब I think
और ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अभी भी बॉम्बे में it's so funny कि
नहीं
अभी
वो तो
भी
they were doing some electrical
मेंटेनेंस
work
काम
and
ना.
हाँ.
बट आई विल टेल यू इधर अभी तो मेरा रीडेवलपमेंट में गया फ्लैट इन जस्ट हियर इन लोखंडवाला
Yeah.
बिहाइंड ऑन फर्स्ट क्लास. बट light is going.
वो काम करते हैं ना इलेक्ट्रिकल का, वो अभी
पानी
आज
जाता
मैं
है.
खाना खाते खाते आई वाज होल्डिंग दैट फैन इन माय हैंड एंड आई वाज ईटिंग
हाँ, I saw you with the fan. Where is that? It's so nice.
या माय
Yeah.
मॉम आल्सो लाइक उर्जान तोरो पंखो निकालनी. I'm like, oh, I have the fan with me.
I know.
She's using her normal paper wala fan. I'm using that rainbow fan, and she's like, ये देख उसका पंखा. She's telling my maid also, Lakshmi उसका पंखा देख.
I have an idea for the thumbnail. We are going to do a pankha with like a photo with the pankha.
Done.
You know, I
That
want that
pankha.
pankha like to be seen.
Done.
You
Done.
know, where did you get it from?
So there was this when the Pride month was happening ना January में मुंबई में ये सब Pride activities होती है.
हाँ.
So गुलाबी मेला करके there is a flea market kind of a
Very
thing.
nice.
So वहाँ पे everyone from the community they set up stalls and you know they sell. There are dance performances. There is eating stalls. सब कुछ होता है. जैसे बांद्रा का flea
This is
market कैसे होता है.
amazing. But also tell me now, how's as single
I'm happy.
person, but how's dating?
No dating.
I'm asking
I'm done with
personally.
dating.
Are you done with dating?
I'm absolutely done with dating because right now what I want to focus is मैं तो पहले से बोलता आ रहा हूँ but now after learning this lesson ना in my life I will actually implement it. I will focus my entire energy on work,
Yeah.
on making myself something, you know, where I'm seeing myself as a makeup artist. I'm seeing myself having my own studio, my
Love it.
own makeup academy.
Your own brand.
My own brand.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
As a model, I'm looking at myself on the billboard.
Yes, you know, it's my
as
mom's
simple as that.
dream, by the way, that you just said. She wants to see me on a billboard, and I was like, पता नहीं, और ये कभी मैंने नहीं सोचा है, but ये मेरी मम्मी ने देखा है, तो मुझे पता है ये होगा.
This is my dad told me this that when are we seeing your photo on the billboard? I'm like,
soon.
बस
It's gonna
इंशाल्लाह
happen.
जल्दी हो जाएगा.
हाँ, अभी देख लिया है ना ये, तुमने imagine कर लिया है, ये हो गया, you're working towards it.
Yeah, I am definitely working hard towards it.
I am
So,
looking forward to.
maintaining myself and you know everything. I'm modeling से लेके makeup तक. I'm getting there.
I love that because you know post it also क्या होता है when you're getting out of a situation, yeah, it is very difficult also to because कि अब क्या करूँगा, अब कैसे करूँगा. So I'm really glad because that also takes you know some time to like really be like okay I need to self work, I need to focus on myself.
Yes.
Single time is the best time to do that because you're only thinking about you.
Exactly.
And that-
I'm going to put that energy in just me. As I said, I'm open to friendship. I'm open to like you know maybe a little bit of light fun.
Of course.
I'm open to that. But more than that, emotionally, I'm definitely unavailable.
You know वो what does that become you know वो क्या words होता है ना कि when the teacher becomes the student क्या होता है वो like there is a saying you know what I'm getting at.
हाँ.
When the this becomes the that you know कि you know you
It's like don't teach
now
your dad
you
how
are
to.
now you're emotional, now you are the one who's emotional
Yeah,
unavailable.
exactly.
And in the
It's
past
like life has taught me so much. So अभी क्या करे?
high five.
It's life.
It is, but also I think I've been single since the last 3 years.
Lucky you. Wow.
Consciously, okay? I'm like I've had to make some tough choices to like stay this way, and also because other parts of me are like यार नहीं.
मेरे पर्सनली मेरे लाइफ में ना ऐसे फेजेस आते हैं बिकॉज अभी शादी का सीजन आएगा ना.
Yeah.
Now I'll be like shit why am I single?
मेरा ना कनाडा
मेरा-
में ठंडी के टाइम होता था.
Oh, I love
snuggles.
winters.
Now but I love snuggles and like
Yeah,
being with a
yeah,
partner. Yeah,
exactly.
like
With that hot chocolate in your hand.
Yeah, and
It's so
December and Christmassy.
I love that season. I love that
Same,
entire
it's my
season.
favorite. Also, it's my birth month, right? So,
Yes.
and I'm so
Yeah,
close to
yeah, yeah.
Christmas, December 21st. So I love that whole vibe. And then it's only that time when it hits me. But I think India में it hits differently because इतने festivals है,
I
इतने
know, I know.
शादियाँ है.
No, see, festive season is of course it's something, but for me personally, I love Navratri
I
because
love
garba
Navratri,
होता है उसमें.
yeah.
I don't know how to do proper dandiya garba,
Same.
but me and there's one really like she's like with my Rakhi sister only. She lives in Thane. हम लोग हर साल नवरात्रि के लिए जाते हैं. She also does not know how to play
Where do you
garba,
go?
but the way she dances, उसको देख के मेरे को कॉम्प्लेक्स आता है कि भाई ये क्या है.
यार मैंने 10 साल से मैं गई नहीं हूँ, मुझे इस बार जाना है.
I
I
go.
I want you to tell me where you go.
मैं लास्ट ईयर ना कहाँ पे गया था, जियो कन्वेंशन सेंटर में
अच्छा
गया
था?
था. इट वाज वेरी गुड. But then before that I had gone to Nesco.
I just want to dress up
places. Yes, same.
and feel the vibe. मुझे नहीं
Same.
आता है बट मैं वहां पे कर लूंगी, कुछ ना कुछ
I
तो मैं
like
कर
the
ही
vibe. मैं
लूंगी.
वाइब के लिए ही जाता हूँ. मेरे को इतना अच्छे से नाचना गरबा खेलना नहीं आता, बट मैं जो भी थोड़ा बहुत करता हूँ मैं
चलो
करता
तो
हूँ.
ठीक है ना.
It's about the vibe.
You have fun at the end of the
Exactly.
day, and
Yes.
everyone's happy,
Yes,
and
yes,
it's the
yes.
vibe. I love Navratri, so I'm very excited now, like for the 9
Absolutely.
days.
I'm also super. So Navratri and Christmas, as you said, because I get to like really dress up because it's winter.
Yeah.
And I can actually dress up without sweating my
winter
ass
in
off.
Bombay, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen, this though I have to take a dig because I was like यहाँ पे winter, वो मतलब summer is winter here. This summer तो भाई like नहीं चाहिए
Well,
मुझे.
अभी क्या करे
इतने
बॉम्बे.
पसीने फूट ही रहे हैं मतलब
मैं एक
कब
बार
से.
दिल्ली गया था. दिल्ली दिसंबर में I had gone to Delhi in 2017. I loved it. I'm like ऐसी ठंडी मुंबई में क्यों नहीं होती भाई.
और फिर जो
It's so
जम के
good.
खाने का भी मजा आता है
हाँ, I
ठंडी
swear,
में.
and I'd gone for a like nice big fat wedding. Like there were मतलब ठंडी ज्यादा हो गई तो ऐसे वहां पे वो ऐसे क्या बोलते थे वो हीटर stands.
ओ दोस्तों सेकने के
हाँ,
लिए ना.
हाथ सेकने के. It was so good.
And like you take like a little shawl or a jacket around you.
हाँ,
I love that
so good.
vibe.
I love.
Oh,
I love Delhi during
I
December.
haven't been. Last time I was in like 6th standard when I went to Delhi. I think I really need
Yeah,
to
so
go.
for me that was the only time I went to Delhi. उसके बाद मैं गई नहीं हूँ.
तू बॉम्बे तू मुझे तो बॉम्बे से निकला है ज्यादा बाहर. टेल मी.
मैं बॉम्बे से कब मैं पुणे गया हूँ. दिल्ली 2017 गया था.
महाराष्ट्र से बाहर पूछना पड़ेगा मुझे.
I've been to Bangalore also. Bangalore I've been twice.
I haven't. I'm telling you, have gone more. I've not been to Bangalore. I haven't been to Delhi. So I am also asking you. Not
जब
in a
भी
very,
I've gone to
I'm not
Bangalore, I've
sitting on
gone
a
with my
high horse.
family only because my dad's brother lives in Bangalore. So we've gone there. We've gone to there to chill and have a nice.
Food is good. Beers are good.
Oh yes, beers are really good.
I am so beer obsessed. I am beer
The
obsessed.
alcohol over there is smooth. I'll be very honest.
Even I told Abhi also. I told my mom after after we wrap up today, can we go get beers? And we went and got beers yesterday only.
सही है. Very nice.
और मेरी माँ मेरे से ज्यादा तेज है.
Good.
She's
So
very
in my
good.
family also, me, my brother, and my dad, we drink. My mom doesn't drink.
Yeah.
But we drink, and I know my limits. My dad also, he knows his limits. But when he's at home drinking, he doesn't know his limits.
But thankfully that's the only place he doesn't know
Yeah.
his limits. Because bahar
Well, of
kuch,
course, I'm not saying that he's a drunkard.
bahar
but
kuch, like listen,
he enjoys
it's fair.
himself.
My dad also. Like
I mean, as long as you're enjoying yourself,
enjoys his
why
drinks.
not?
Yeah. As long as you're having fun with it.
Exactly.
If it goes in that other way, then I'll call out ki bhai, I don't think you should
नहीं,
drink.
नहीं.
Or you should not drink that much. और I was like, मैं कौन होती हूँ बोलने वाली?
वो करना ही नहीं. You should get drunk to enjoy. You should drink to
Correct.
enjoy, not to get drunk. My dad says this.
हाँ.
You should drink to enjoy and have fun, not to get drunk and sloshed.
I love it. क्योंकि अगर तुमको if you don't enjoy it only, तो what is the मतलब of
हाँ,
doing it ना? कोई भी
actually.
नशा तुम करते हो, तो if you don't have fun with it,
तुम्हें याद ही नहीं रहेगा तुमने क्या किया तो फिर क्या फायदा?
waste है.
It's a waste.
I know, and it's not.
That's why people say you get wasted.
Hate. I think we just like I think that was a really good. इसका मैं short निकालूंगी. short and short. That's how we don't get wasted. That's such a good way of like saying it though.
Yeah,
है ना?
I know, right?
I haven't gotten wasted in years.
So
I don't miss it at all.
No, I want to get wasted, but then वो घर जाके उल्टी करना ये करना.
मुझे वो भी चलेगा. मुझे हैंगओवर नहीं चाहिए. अभी एज अ 30 plus
I've
year
never
old,
gotten hangover. मैं कितना भी मैं drunk हो गया हूँ ना,
What?
I've never in my life got a single hangover. I don't know if I call that a blessing.
yeah, it is a blessing.
But I don't even know what the fucking hangover is.
I'm really like jealous right now, and I didn't know I would. I didn't think in my previous podcast I was like I don't have a jealous bone in my body, and here I go. Yeah, a hangover is my worst enemy like now. And it's not even about getting that drunk, but I just feel maybe it complements with stress. The older you get, there's like more, and then less
Depends.
sleep and
See,
less
all
food.
bodies are different, I'll say.
I
So
know.
अभी
I want
सबका
your
अलग-अलग
body
होता
now
है.
because you don't get a hangover. I think that's important. But again, ये काम आया तुम्हारे पहले. अभी मैं वैसे भी ऐसे काम ही नहीं कर रही हूँ जहाँ पे मुझे hangover हो रहे हैं. Unfortunately या fortunately, अभी मैं ठीक हूँ.
That's good. That's good in a way.
चलो अभी तुम बाद में पार्टी करने सच मुझे बोलो. What are your plans after the podcast today?
I don't have any. I just have a
You
dinner
came
date.
just for me, dressed like this.
Yes, that's what I told you. I love dressing up. I
So-
mean, this is how I usually,
I love it.
like shimmer. अभी ये shimmer top, ये heels, ये makeup और ये सब पहन के मैं अगर metro अभी I have to go for a dinner date. I'm not going to wear this and go in metro.
Are you gonna change?
मैं metro में जाऊँगा. I'll become a. I told that guy that I'll become a glitter scandal, walking glitter scandal. Like because people have a bad habit of staring. Even when I have no makeup on, or
Yeah.
I've just so I like. Call it something which it's natural. I dress up properly. So people keep staring. ये घूरने की आदत ना इंडियंस की कभी जाएगी नहीं
कभी
मेरे को
नहीं
लगता
जाएगी
है.
कभी
And I
नहीं.
feel
And
so
direct घूरना
this-
है. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि तुम ना थोड़ा सा देख के
देखो-
मतलब सीधा ऐसे और
सीधा
फिर
सीधा
ऐसा
they
ही.
stare into your soul. I feel.
हाँ हाँ. I am telling you, I like totally understand what you're saying, and it's very uncomfortable.
Very very.
It's very, and it's almost like कि अब मैं ये नहीं पहनूंगा तुम्हारे लिए नहीं मेरे कंफर्ट के लिए क्योंकि मुझे
Exactly. I don't want that unnecessary attention.
और मुझे नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि ये मुझे स्वेट दे रहा है और
creepy.
एंजाइटी. It's very
It's very creepy, Papa.
So where are you going for your date?
We haven't decided a place yet.
Dinner
I
date sounds
told
good.
him. I told him that once I get free.
Did you tell him you're
I'll-
emotionally unavailable? Now when he watches the episode, I'm just gonna be like, if things worked out, it will be a cute story. If not,
No, this is not about you. This is not about you. It's about me. It's about us, not about you.
if not, this will be a very good memory of like, you know what? Thank God this is not a live airing. वो डेट वहाँ पे बैठ के बोलेगा हाय.
मैं तो हमेशा मैं बोलता हूँ I prefer going with the flow. But right now, because of all this,
I think
I'm-
it's a
I'm
very
just-
wise thing.
yeah, it's always better to go with the flow instead of
Yeah.
giving false hopes.
Going with the flow is a part of life.
Yeah.
There are so many opportunities that have come because you've gone with the flow. Right?
Yes.
You did pageants, you did, you moved from HR to dancing to makeup. You
Makeup,
have
yeah.
gone with the flow and you've taken that step towards things
That,
that you
yeah.
like and it has come back.
That's a lot of people have also complimented and told me that you're very brave to just leave your job and get into this
It
because
takes
it
a
takes
lot
guts.
of courage.
And I agree. See, I won't say that I'm privileged or something because I'm not. I don't come from a very rich background, but I have those skills. Why not put them to use?
Absolutely.
As simple as that.
And you are doing something that you love, that you're passionate about.
Yes.
And you're
yes.
creating. And I
And
have
by
a
God's
lot
grace,
of
I'm
respect.
really, touch wood. I'm very grateful कि अच्छा जा रहा है. जो
No.
भी हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है.
अच्छा ही होगा. And
And I always-
futuristically, I am waiting to see you at that billboard.
Yes,
Right?
so am I.
It's all happening.
I'm just waiting. See, I believe in karma.
Me too.
Karma is something I really, really believe strongly in. कि जब तुम किसी गुड कर्मा बैड कर्मा वॉट एवर इट इज, जब तुम किसी को हर्ट करते हो, वो बंदा तुम्हारे लिए या बंदी तुम्हारे लिए रोता है या रोती है, those tears don't go to waste.
No.
They come back to you in
To-
ways you won't even
To
understand.
bite you in the bum.
Yes. Karma.
see what
Yes,
I
karma
did
will come to
there?
bite you in the bum. Absolutely. Absolutely.
That, and it's not going to be cute.
Oh, that's a bite you don't want. Trust me.
This time it was you. Now I am not doing. I'm trying to be good here. I am trying. It's not working. But I think on that note, it's a very good way of ending our episode also. It's like a full circle.
Yes.
And now, but to end with,
I would just like to end with, I would just like to say that whatever you want to do, you do it. As as I said in previously, that without hurting someone else, you do something that you're good at, and be yourself. and just, you know, go with the flow. I'll say that, like, going with the flow, that's something I've always done. My entire career is based on this, you know, saying, go with the flow.
And to add to that, you know, because this is my first time of getting to know you, Urzan, as well, right? Today. Like, it's not like we, you know, spoke before or we had like a conversation. So
Yeah.
I think to get to know you one on one here, I'll tell you my takeaways, and I hope like the viewers and the audience would also love that, because I think my favorite part of everything that you've said and getting to know you today is that you've taken those chances and you've, you know, given yourself that chance and you've grabbed every opportunity, and you have constantly like kept going, because it's not always high and it's not always low, but then you've kind of always kind of made it through and you've followed what you want to do. And when you did see that something is not for you, you've also let go of
Let go
that
of it. Yeah.
and moved on. And I think that's beautiful, and I really admire that in you today,
Thank you
and I
so much.
loved getting to know you that way,
Likewise.
and you
Likewise.
being so real, so organic, and so, you know, not filtered. Like, you spoke your mind, you spoke your heart out, and I'm very grateful that you've done this on the show today. So
Thank
thank you again for, you know, coming, for looking so fabulous. I have to end by complimenting you and like just telling you how glamorous and lovely you look.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You don't look, you know, too less.
Dominatrix.
Oh my God, yes. Dominatrix.
I wish I could do that sass. I can't do. Look
Yes.
how bad I do it. Like, it's horrible. I can't do. How
It's
is it?
just,
I've tried to learn it. I
it's a
don't know.
Z. You
Gay
just
men
with a
always do
Z.
it properly. I don't know why. You guys
It just
have
comes,
it.
it just comes. ऐसे
That
मतलब,
sass,
when you
na.
want to show sass and shade to someone, you just like,
See,
ऐसा
see.
हो
I
जाता है.
told you, this is
हो जाता है.
unbeatable. It's like I can't even try now. Like, I look stupid. But thanks again for coming on this really show.
Thank you so much for having me. It was a
And
pleasure.
please come to the studio anytime. Like, this is just outside of like the show, but you know, I would love for you to just come
Absolutely.
around and see you more and get to know more of you. See, now we've like caught up with everything
हाँ.
that has happened so far, and now I've gotten to know Urzan up to this point, right?
Yeah.
So I'm
Yeah.
really excited and looking forward to what happens in your life, and I'd love to support and be a part of that in whatever way I can. And I'd love to just know, you know, how you're flourishing, because I know you're
Absolutely.
going to.
How sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. It was really lovely talking to you. And you're a gem of a person. I'm
Aww.
going to give you that. You're a gem of a person, darling.
I appreciate it so much. I'm going to hug you once we get up. But until then, this is it. Please do watch the show. Do not miss all of these amazing taglines that Urzan has given us from time to time. Ended with that. प्यार क्या था?
प्यार बड़ी प्यारी चीज है.